guys, and welcome to the other side of Eastleigh. This is Claudia Walks for those who are new here, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you are watching for the first time, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Take this girl to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, guys. So I just want to take you on another street in Eastleigh. I just want us to explore this place during this festive season. We see what takes place here during this. Yes. So guys, let's go. So let's keep on walking, guys. Hey, how are you? You're good? Yeah. Finally, my friend is. Yeah, my friend is here. So, God check on Claudia was. Yeah, your video is trending, bana. Yeah. So guys, let's keep on walking. Yeah. No, I'm not advertising. The YouTube. Subscribe to Claudia Walks. Yeah, guys. They're just asking me what am I doing. Claudia Walks. That street is not working.
Anika.
You're happy now? Okay, bye. Okay, mimi ni YouTuber, mimi ni content creator. Yeah. Nenda kwa YouTube utanipata pale.
Wale watu Ruto wana taxi.
Ana taxi baya, basi utafanya nini? Tukiwa na wewe. Yo, Merry Christmas from Eastleigh.
Merry Christmas.
Nenda kwa YouTube utapata Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Ile ya kutembea walk.
Claudia Walks.
Yes. Now make sure you subscribe. Yeah.
Na unapenda hiyo kazi yako?
Naipenda sana. Ni kuapa ni kwa street. Haya, mkuwe na holiday mzuri. Haya. So guys, I'm just enjoying this street. I'm happy. The vibe in Eastleigh. People are calling me, guys. Yeah, so Merry Christmas. Uruma raunda ngapi? Uruma raunda ambao, uruma raunda. Haya, sawa. So the streets are so fine. Merry Christmas. Wow. Hi. How are you? Why are you falling down? Let me take you. Yay! Okay, let me take a round, then I come back. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming back. Yes. This tall man. This tall man. Hi. Yes. Can you hug me? I'm hugging everyone in this street. Yes. Okay, see you later. I'm coming. Wow, festive mode, guys. Holiday mode here in EASTLEIGH. I'm just enjoying, guys. But honestly, the streets are not that populated like last time. If you have been watching me for the longest time, you know I love EASTLEIGH. I've been doing videos about this place. Yeah. But today it's not that populated. Huh? But most of the shops are open. A lot of business are operating despite being an holiday. Yeah. So guys, I'm just enjoying this trip. So let's keep on walking. Waongeleshe na Kisomali. Sawa. Waongeleshe na hiyo yenu. Yes. Kila kitu iko hapa. So guys, if you want to shop in EASTLEIGH, make sure you visit this guy. What's your name? Yeah. Alsu. Yeah. So guys, he has varieties of clothes from kids to adults. So make sure you, when you pass here, look, when you pass here, make sure you visit him and say hi. Yeah. Hey, so guys, these are crazy streets. Eh? I think I love this street so far. Yo, I'm happy to be here again and again and again. And I'll keep on showing you this trip. Hi. How are you? I'm okay. You enjoy your holiday? Yes, so guys. Oh, I'm having fun. I just want to wish people happy holidays here. Hi. How are you? Kopiti? Tungoje tembea nawe. Unaitwa nani? Emmanuel. Just tembea na mimi da. The guy is so shy. Guys, if you love these streets, let me know. Yeah, remember this is EASTLEIGH. It contains mix of cultures. We have Somali people, we have people here, we have every tribe here.
الله يوم ومن الله يوم وراء الله بسابع الله بحافظ القرآن كما الله كبير الله يذكر البركة الله كبير الله يوم ومن الله يوم وراء الله يرزاق بالواسع الله يرزاق بالواسع الله يرزاق بالواسع شكر صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Yes, if you are enjoying the video, can you subscribe? Share with your friends. Yes, and I'm happy to be here again and again and again. Most of the business are still open. People are shopping. Oh, it's raining, guys. It has started to rain. But this can make us not to feel, guys. Hi, how are you?
Mambo.
Poa.
Iti.
Kofiti?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. This is
you.
Claudia Walks from YouTube.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, another guy. Yeah. Everybody is calling me guys. Just that thing. Poa. Merry Christmas. Oh, wewe ni Muislamu. Oh, Merry Christmas. Just wanted me to say hi and yes, people are enjoying here. After you. So guys, it's drizzling here. But we thank God for the rain. Nataka. Merry Christmas. I subscribe to Claudia Walks on YouTube. Claudia Walks. Thank you. Yes. Bye. Yeah. So there is a guy who was asking me what I'm recording there, guys. No, most of the people don't want to be seen on camera. Yes, they have to accept. They have to accept. Yeah, how are you? Merry Christmas. You guys doing? I'm fine, thank you. I'm Claudia Walks. And you? No? I'm Claudia Walks. From YouTube. Oh, sorry, mommy. You are home? Okay. Okay, that's good. Nice to meet you. Yeah. I'm just wishing people Merry Christmas. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, bro. Uko vipi? Merry Christmas. Thank you. So look at how people are shopping. Look. Guys, we are not editing this video here. We are not. We have to go up to the end of this street. We have to go up to the end of this street, and I hope you are enjoying everything about this street.
Unanitega? Nitege tu ndo nionekane njioni.
Oh, unataka kuonekana?
Miaka kwa nini gani ndo nizani nikajioni.
Kwa Claudia Walks, YouTube. That lady is so happy, guys. So I'm just enjoying. Merry Christmas, bro. Uko fiti? Naitwa Claudia Ward kwa YouTube. Oh, sawa. Wow, I'm just happy here. We have to go up to the end of this, what do you call it? This at the end of this street. Hi, bro. How are you? Coffee too? Guys, let me promote this guy. How much are you selling this? 250. Ni bei ya kuongea ama ni bei ya mwisho? Ya kuongea. So mwisho utanijia ngapi? 200. Sai. So guys, I have to promote him. Remember, I've just gone all the way from the other side. I've taken off the sleeve, but I've not promoted anyone. But I have to promote this guy, guys. Nipe moja tu. Utanitapania shimo ingine ifike mahali? Sawa. Niwekee shimo ingine. So guys, 200 is like, is it $2? Yeah. Yeah, we have to get the measurement so that it can fit me well. I think hapo iko sawa. So guys, I'm just enjoying this trip. Yeah. Let's see how he does. Ama bila tafanya. So look. This is how he's doing. It's okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So guys, I had to purchase this belt. I've been looking for this belt, but finally I've got one. Oh, sorry. I've gotten one. So yeah, I'm happy. Today no hurry. There is no hurry today. We have to enjoy this trip, guys. Hi, how are you? Hey, he's calling me back. I'm gonna go see what he said. And it's got wacha nifike pale mwisho alafu nikuje. Lakini unaweza niangalia kwa YouTube naitwa Claudia. Karibu. Hapana, siwezi wachukua kama wataki. Wanataka? Hey. in the next video. Bye bye.